Hey, stop! Hey, Kunal, stop! Hey, stop! Hey, hey, stop, stop! Hey, stop! Why you are running, bro?
You want to do conversation? I afraid conversation.
No, you don't afraid. There is nothing to afraid to do conversation.
Today I am decided that I live English language.
But for why?
I afraid conversation. When somebody came in front of us, I afraid. So that's why I live the English language.
No, no, no. It is your very big mistake, Kunal. It's gonna be. Don't leave this English because nowadays this English is very important language to live and to survive in this world. And I am sure in our future it will be very and most important language. So that's why today, don't worry, I am also making a video, and in this video, and now I am going to give you advice and all of our audience how you can develop and how you can develop your conversation skills, how you can speak the English language while doing conversation with anyone, anyhow, anytime, very confidently, very fluently. So Kunal, come here. The same problem only you don't have. All of and many beginners, they also are facing this simple and same problem. They always want to do conversation. They also know the English much better. But when it's the time to do some conversation with anyone, to speak the English language, they feel very hesitate. They're afraid to speak the English with someone. So guys, that's why today I'm making this video. He is a perfect beginner of English learning, and for to understand all of you, we do a simple act. Okay, if you guys liked our acting, then please like, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also guys, after watching this video, please give us a portable comment. Today I am gonna talk everyone, and I'm gonna discuss how you are gonna develop your fluency, your confidence to speak with anyone. And also I am sure that after watching this video you are gonna speak the English language with anyone, anyhow, anytime, very confidently. Your hesitation will be removed and it will be erased very smoothly, because I know everyone, and Kunal also, everyone, we practice the English language very much every day, but there are some mistakes that we do, and for the mistake we feel hesitate to speak with someone. And also there is another thing, it is we are leaving some mistakes, we are leaving some. So guys, that's why I'm making this video. So let's start the video. Let's start our topic: how to develop our conversation skill and how to remove the hesitation while speaking the English language. So if you want to develop your conversation skill, then guys, first of all, I'm gonna give you a very powerful practice. Okay, this practice is very powerful, and this practice is practicing the conversation with a partner. Okay, as you can see, my partner is Kunal and his partner is me. So guys, this simple thing, if you have a partner and if you are doing the conversation practice with your partner, if you do, then it will be very helpful for you. You can develop very easily and also very quickly your conversation skills. So guys, now the question is how we will practice. Don't worry, just speak and ask to your friend normal question and tell him or her to question you also some normal question. Start with what is your name, introduction, and then after doing that, go in the next stage, means ask some questions about the family, ask some question about the daily routine, what you did yesterday, about the school. And then when you will speak anything, okay, doesn't matter what you're speaking, but when you will speak in front of a person, face to face, eye to eye, then it will be very beneficial. And remember this, it is a very workable thing, because when we practice in front of the mirror, Kunal, I have a question for you. Do you practice in front of the mirror?
No.
Okay, just he understood that where you practice, what is your practicing source.
I just read a book, but
Okay, I wanna tell to everyone that Kunal also has a YouTube channel, and in his channel, like in his channel, he also make always new videos. So I think it is a very beneficial and also a very workable practice. So first of all, I wanna tell everyone that if you are practicing in front of the mirror, then guys, it will be okay. But when you will practice in front of a friend, in front of someone, that it will be more beneficial for you. Doesn't matter whom, where, and also to whom you are speaking. It can be your family member, because our best supporter in our life is our family. So you can speak in front of your family. It can be your brother, it can be your mother, it can be your father, anyone. But I want to tell everyone, you need only a person to speak. So remember this, and now go on. Let's talk about how you are gonna practice these conversation skills without someone. Okay, without someone, how you will practice. We don't have friends to do conversation. So now what we will do? We also have to do practice. Yes. So now I'm gonna tell you that. So now the best part of this video, I think it is how you can practice and how you can develop your conversation skills without someone. Okay, without a person, without a helper. Then guys, the best thing that I'm gonna tell you, it is making the videos. Today I get my friends. Okay, what is your question?
What topic I will make a video?
Okay, I am telling you the first of all, understand that why I tell you that making video is beneficial. Okay, you also make video, I also make video, but I always put a thought in my brain. The thought is that my stand, my phone, my camera is a person to me. That's why now I am speaking, I am giving you the advices, means I am speaking and I am practicing. Okay, just remember, when we speak the English language in front of a mirror, then we just speak, but we can't capture our small mistake. It can be word mistake, it can be tongue mistake, it can be grammatical mistake. But when we will speak the same thing in front of the camera, in front of a mobile, then guys, I want to tell everyone, the mistakes that you did, you can capture them very easily while editing, while revising your whole video. So remember, as much as you can practice, just try to practice in front of a phone. Okay, because now I always tell, mistake is very important. Remember, mistake is not the first step of our journey. The solution of the mistake is the first step of our journey, and that's why I always tell, whenever you do a mistake, just try to admit the mistake, means try to correct, mean, and also try to take the mistake and then learn everything from the mistake and don't repeat the mistake. So learning everything you can do from there. And what is your question?
The question is, I am afraid to
Okay,
do conversation.
no, you told me that which type of things we have to speak to do conversation, also while making the videos. Yes, so guys, it is also a very question, what we will speak. I will tell to everyone, I will advise, and I always advise that try to speak the stories. If you are a new beginner, then guys, the story will be helpful for every way. Okay, from every way the story will help you, and it is also a best practice, I think. Don't just remember, practicing the story and reading a story, they are totally different. What is meaning of practicing and what is meaning of reading? Only reading, you will read the sentences, read the words, then you will leave. But no, practicing is very important. Try to read the story, try to memorize the story, and then try to explain the story. So explaining a story is very important. First of all, if you're a new beginner like Kunal, just try to do copy. Okay, when you will copy the stories, when you will copy the sentences and the words of the story, then they will stock in your brain and you can use them while speaking everything. So now I am speaking, you also can write down a topic which you are gonna speak in front of your camera, and it will be very beneficial. And now Kunal, just I can speak, I can do conversation easily, so I can't capture all of the problems that you face. Can you please tell me what the problems you face while doing conversation with someone?
Like when I started to conversation with someone, just I did not have some stock word, some sentences, so that's why I cannot speak better. And also I just feel that if I have any like do mistake, if I do some mistake, so what then other people just
Yes, it is the very important, and it is called the hesitation. We feel hesitate while speaking because for only one reason, and many people and a lot of people, they can't capture the mistake, they can't capture the reason to become hesitate. Then guys, I want to tell everyone, if you also hesitate while speaking the English language, then that is the only reason that you don't have stock words. You fear that if I do any mistakes in front of anyone, then they will laugh at me. But it is not a reason, guys, it is a proper reason. But this simple habit, this simple thinking also are in our brain. So now the question is, what we will do? Just try to remember it very very clearly and try to understand it. It will be very beneficial, guys, that for a only reason that we don't have any confidence. Okay, for the less confidence, for the less motivation, we also always face this thing. So remember it very carefully, that if you want to do better, if you want to speak better, then guys, first of all you have to build up your confidence. Okay, always remember confidence. If you are a new beginner and if you are fearing and hesitating to speak with someone who is no better the English language than you, then I have a mantra for everyone. If you can use the mantra, then you can speak very freely. And this mantra is that I know this English language something. If I do any mistake, then please solve my mistake. Only this simple sentence, I know the English language something. Something I know the English language, something I can speak the English. But if I do any mistake while speaking, then please solve me the mistake. The thing, the sentence that I told you, if you use to anyone, then the person who is doing conversation and so communication with you, they will also understand that yes, he's a new beginner. That's why I have to understand, and I have to correct all of the mistakes of him or her. It will be very beneficial, guys. And remember, confidence level. English is like your mother tongue. Think that you are a newborn baby. Okay, a newborn baby. A newborn baby also do many mistakes. But his parents or her parents, his father and mother and everyone, they also just ignore the mistake by thinking that yes, he is a newborn baby and she or he, they will do the mistake. So this simple thing, this English language, we can't do anything, we can't learn anything in this whole world without doing any mistake if you want to be master of the thing. So guys, it was the thing that I want to tell everyone. If you have any question, then guys please comment me. The comment section is free for everyone. And Kunal, do you have any question? Another question? Okay, I understand. I think that I told everyone how to remove your hesitation. Remember this and practice and patience. It will be very helpful for you. And you need the most important thing, it is the stock words and stock sentences and patience. Without this thing, you are not gonna do anything. I also can speak the English language nowadays for only one reason, for only reading the stories, for only making videos in front of you. Remember, how many time you will speak, you are gonna develop yourself. So guys, bye bye. I think it's very perfect for everyone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye. If you have any question, then I again request to everyone, please guys comment me in the comment below section. I will meet in the another video. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Okay, we also did a very hard work for you. Our house not about 3 or 4 kilometers far from this place. We have come by walking. So guys, please subscribe, please like, and also Kunal also has a YouTube channel. You can watch his YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel name? Please tell our audience.
Kunal Das. This is my YouTube channel.
It is his YouTube channel name. I will give you the link of his YouTube channel in my description. You can go and watch from there. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Remember one thing: to a great mind, nothing is little. Bye bye. Hey, come. I am telling you that let's make another video. What is the topic you think to make another video?
How to build up the confidence.
Okay, how to build up the confidence for what?
To speak something.
Okay.